Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Sonik 250 watts inverter iron or solar iron. So this is what it looks like. This is how the pack looks like. It comes with an 18 months warranty, but there's no warranty card in it. So this is an honest review of this iron. So I've been using this iron for about a month, and this is the manual it came with. So you look at the manual, you read it carefully, and pick what's valuable in it. So that is all for this. Then this is the iron itself. This is what it looks like. This iron I think is quite heavy compared to the other irons I've reviewed on this channel, which is the Super Sony and the Quasar iron. This looks a bit heavier than them. So even though this one is 250 watts, I actually enjoy using this iron more because the iron has more weight and it presses clothes very well. So that's the observation I have about it. Then secondly, about the rope the iron comes with is usually not strong. As you can see, I've just used this iron for just a month and the rope is already pulling out in some places, so it will need a replacement as soon as possible. But that will not be a discouragement for you not to get the iron. You can get it. The rope is not expensive. It's not expensive at all. So just get the iron, because the iron is very good. It saves you energy, it saves you money, it helps you to work more without thinking of energy or light consumption. So if you're a tailor like me, I'll advise you to get this. You need it very, very well in your shop. So another issue I noticed about this iron is the leather that was placed on the iron is not strong enough. As you can see, it's already peeling off just within 1 month of using it. But that's not also a bad thing, because it hasn't burnt any clothes yet, and I don't think it will burn any clothes because it wasn't programmed to overheat. Yes, the iron just heats just moderately. So I'll advise you to get this iron if you're a tailor, or if you want to use it at home as an inverter iron. It works perfectly well on inverter. Yes, it can work with your 1000 watts, with your 1000 watt inverter. It can work with your 1 kVA, 5 kVA inverter, any kind of inverter you have. This iron will work perfectly well with it. Yes, I have a 3000 watt inverter and I use 3 of these irons. I use 3 energy ions on it, and they are all working perfectly. So this is my honest review about this iron. Tell me whatever you feel, or any questions you have, drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.